Introducing the 2016 Volvo XC90. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. A turbocharger further enhances performance while also preserving fuel economy. Volvo infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as delay-off headlights, one-touch window functionality, power front seats, lane departure warning, rear wipers, and air conditioning. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Volvo ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.